Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a video on the VR box. We're gonna be doing a review on it. I've just got it today, and I felt I should do a review to show you guys how it looks like. So let's get started. So this is how it looks like. Just put this away. Comes like this. It looks like this. It comes with a manual, and some do come with a remote, and some don't. And some you just need to install a VR app, and like this one. And it also comes with this one's for your home buttons. You put them here, you put this here, you put them, but it's not really important, so we gotta put them away. And this, like a normal glasses, you need to clean it up when it's blurry. You're gonna put it away. So another important in this video goes with this and this. So firstly, I'm gonna be doing this with a Samsung S6 Edge. It fits perfectly. So this has a case, so I'm gonna pull it out because the case is a little bit big, so it can't fit in the VR box. So let's put it out. So now, firstly, you want to install the Cardboard app and the Full Dive VR. And you can also download the Cardboard camera and the VR Maze Runner. We're gonna see that in the video. So now we're gonna open. Yeah, you can download them on Play Store for free, no payment or anything like that. So we're gonna open the Full Dive, and we're gonna skip because we're registered. So we're gonna turn the phone horizontally. Okay, so let's set it to portrait. So let's put it to rotate. So we're gonna turn it horizontally, and yeah, you're gonna have this. And note, the VR app is not compatible. The Cardboard is not compatible with all phones, like the Samsung Galaxy J6 is not compatible with that. It's compatible with the S6 Edge and other phones. But let's get started. So now this is what it looks like in the Full Dive. You're gonna use it has accelerometer. You use it. Forgive my English, I don't know how to pronounce that word, but I'm sure you get what I'm talking about. So now we're gonna put it in the VR, but I'm not going to use it in the VR because you guys won't be able to see it. So you're gonna open this. The VR comes in like this. You see this stuff sticking out, you pull it out. So now you're gonna put this, and when you put in it, you're gonna be careful with this button, most especially the power button, so it doesn't disrupt the presentation, what you're seeing in the VR. And this is the volume button, not really important. So now when putting it, you're gonna put the back sitting. You're gonna make it lie down on its back, not on the screen. So this stuff here is the adjuster in case your phone doesn't size it. So we're gonna adjust it so it fits it, and yeah, it's out on it. Yeah, so you're gonna sorry about that, switch was come back. So you want to put this line, you're gonna make it aligned with this stuff here, right here. Sorry about that, that's a little bad. If you got this, I'm really sorry. Skip, not now, skip. Yeah, so we're back. You're gonna put this aligned with this straight line here, so it's gonna be aligned with it. So we're gonna go back. So since it doesn't come with the remote controller, you're gonna use your head since you're gonna put in the VR. So let's see how it looks like. So now we're gonna slide this right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it right here. So you put it right here. So this, put it in like this, like a goggle, like this. So right now I'm using my head to control the what I can see in the VR. So I can see movies, I can see stuff, I can see different apps, I can see the VR market, I can see the my apps, I can see my VR apps, I can see browser beta, I can see movies, I can see social media, I can see settings, I can see tutorials. That's basically what you're going to see when you put this, when you put it inside. But I'm going to show you what I saw without the VR. So you're gonna come here, pull it out. Be careful when pulling out so this stuff doesn't break because it's fragile. So this is what I saw. So when controlling, see this orange, the orange stuff there, just loaded that stuff. There's that orange stuff that what you use to load like a Kinect on Xbox. Those of you that use Kinect on Xbox, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. When you place your hand on where you want to go and it loads, that's basically how it is. But this time you're using your head to control what you're seeing here. So this is basically how the VR works. Yeah, and okay, now that's what you use. And now let's go to the Maze Runner app. Sorry about that. So the Maze Runner, it's kind of cool because you use your head to kill monsters. See, so you use your head to select. You use your head to select play. Let's select play right here. Let's select play. Let's select play. Sorry about that. So it's loading. Yeah, so you're in the game. So this is basically how Maze Runner looks like on VR. Split the screen. So now we've seen the zombie there. Now you use your head to direct the target there. That's the target. So you use it to point at the monster and it's gonna kill it. So that's how it looks like. Now the cardboard ain't really important, but just for like a full VR experience, I don't really understand how to use it, so I'm not going to go into it. But for those of you that can figure out how to use it, fine for you. So now let's go to the VR itself. Now this stuff right here, it has a very comfortable stuff for the eyes. When you rest on your eyes, this stuff here is really comfortable. This stuff elastic. And this, the goggle what you used to see in your phone. Then this you can adjust this here, right here. If you can adjust this right here, then we can adjust this right here. We can adjust it right here. So this, the elastic is adjustable. Here use it to adjust the goggles in it. Use it to adjust this stuff. Use this to adjust this. So you can see that's basically what you can use it to control the two. And you can adjust it like this. You can make it apart, you can make it whichever one suits you. Yeah, so this, I don't really know what it is. And let's go to the manual. You said it ain't important at first, but I think it got a little bit important to us right now. But let's see how it looks like, because I just got it. So yeah, so this is the headway from the adjustment. This is the IPD adjustment. This is the left slide phone headphone jack, and this is where you install your phone. So let's show it here. So here you see this stuff right here. This is the speaker. When you play anything on the VR, you're gonna hear from here. And that's practically all of the VR parts. So, well, the VR I don't know, but it's for the phone I had. It fit the iPhone 6, the Samsung J3, the S6 Edge like I used, the Grand Prime, and that's basically what I used to do to test with the VR. But some of it, like the J36 I had, was not the app for the like cardboard, without cardboard, and my phone didn't have accelerometer, sorry for the pronunciation, and that's why I couldn't use my head, and I can't use the VR properly. So let's put this back in here. So thank you very much for watching this video. I would like you to hit the subscribe button and like and place a comment below on any suggestions, on any complaint on